Welcome to the Ultra Hip Room at Planet Hollywood, room 3260. Let's have a look around. Check out the links below and in the top right corner for the best room rates. This is the Ultra Hip Room at Planet Hollywood. Double queen. Very smooth, elegant layout. It's one of the smaller rooms at 430 square feet. And you have your choice of smoking and non-smoking. Very contemporary layout. You've got all kinds of great amenities. The bathroom is clean and bright. The backlit LED window. You have a separate tub you can soak in. Check out the detail on the wall. It's pretty cool. And you've also got a separate shower. Toiletries, a must steal for every hotel room. And every room comes with its own individual artwork, which we thought was pretty cool. It's very unique, adds a contemporary feel to the room. It's an elegant yet simple layout, and the rooms have been newly renovated. It is in a great location on the Strip, very convenient. We've got plenty of storage here. And that is the Ultra Hip Room at the Planet Hollywood in Las Vegas. Click below for the best room rates and check out the top right corner for more rates as well. Subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you back. Thanks for watching.